All right, we're going to talk about the Kumbh Mela now. The mega spiritual event has witnessed an unprecedented turnout of devotees and the number crossed 10 crore milestone. The state government has estimated that this Mahakumbh will host over 45 crore visitors, and the early achievement of 10 crore Badars reaffirms these projections. Mahakumbh also gears up for the Mauni Mawasi that will be held on the 29th of January. Meanwhile, my colleague Arzu Seth has filed a ground report. We're going to listen into that now.
Welcome, you're watching NewsX and I will be highlighting the important day of the event, and today marks the 13th day of the Mahakumbh 2025, and today marks the important day as the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh Yogi Adityanath is in the Prayagraj, is in the Mahakumbh Mela area, and he will be attending the several events, and he will also be taking a view of the preparation here at the Mahakumbh Mela. If I talk about the events, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will participate in Akhil Bharatiya Avdut Panth Yogi Mahasabha, and after that he will meet the Kalyan Das Ji Maharaj at Kalyan Seva Ashram. Not only this, but he will attend the Sant Sammelan organized at the Vishwa Hindu Parishad camp, Sector 18, Prayagraj. And after that, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will depart for Lucknow from Prayagraj at around 4:30 p.m. So at the entire day, Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh Yogi Adityanath will be in the Prayagraj, and since the Mahakumbh has begun, and even before that also, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath visiting the Mahakumbh Mela area, taking the stock of the preparation arrangements that has been done for the devotees. Even if we talk about the cultural events, there are several cultural events that are taking place, and every day there is something new that is happening at the Mahakumbh. Today also we talk about the drone show began from yesterday, but today marks the second day of the drone show, and today also there will be a different theme that has been chosen, and using that theme, the drones will make shapes in the sky. The sky will be lightened up with the drones, telling the stories of the ancient India and also about the Mahakumbh. So this also marks the very interesting day, because yesterday also we saw a massive gathering, massive devotees standing watching the epic drone show, and today marks the second day of the drone show. And also if we talk about the gathering, as of now more than 10 crore people have already took a holy dip in the Triveni Sangam, have visited the Mahakumbh, and today also it is expected that this mark, the devotees will cross the 11 crore mark very soon. So continuously the Prayagraj continues to welcome the devotees here at the Mahakumbh Mela. I'm Arzu Seth with video journalist Himanshu Negi for NewsX in Prayagraj.
All right, moving on. Fiji, a coaching